I think photography is essential in educating people about the state of our planet.
Nowadays, due to the quantity of good pictures, we need good stories and we need good people behind the pictures.
I think we are more important right now than we ever have been, and what I always say, and it's really true, what I really believe is that if it wasn't for photography, the world's conscience would wither.
We can do the physical stuff. We can restore forests, we can restore peatlands, we can reintroduce animals. We know how to do that. The real obstacle is in here and in here, you know, and our job really is to use photography and other communication platforms to get in here and to get in here and really get to the root of people's belief systems, people's values.
We're all one. Like we share a planet, we're different individuals. For me, humans are an essential part of the natural world. We're just another species. And we're the only species on the planet that actually destroys their own habitat.
I grew up under the glaciers as a kid, so I've seen them retreat, and there's no chance of saving them actually. They will disappear in 150, 200 years. Most of us will be gone by then, but I will be here with Keith Richards and see what happens.
Photography, needless to say, it's a universal language.
It's a currency that we can all use to tell those stories that will inform and inspire people to think differently and to feel differently.
Moments like these here at a festival such as the GDT is really useful to catch up with friends, but at the same time to discuss the things you run into. It's really essential for that solitary path that you take as soon as you leave the festival.
So it's like a rendezvous for wolves. They come from hunting in different places, they share their information, they sniff at each other, they feel like a pack again, and they can go again, of course, in solitary ways and depart, but they bring something with them.
I think it's very good to see other people's work, and I'm really honored to be here and proud of it.
I always feel very energized, and to go back, to pick up my camera again, go back out and continue what I do.
Gradually, these festivals have moved from being a showcase for people's photography to more of a vehicle to tell their photographic story. People maybe come here to see stunning photography, but they go away having heard some pretty powerful, compelling stories. And that's where I think photography is at its best.